The grieving family of a missing man whose body was found in Mirrabooka bushland has been granted rare access to the site. Abdullahi Egal's relatives say they were the ones who led police to the bush grave. Now they want his killer brought to justice.
After 5 months with no clear answers, finally Abdullahi Egal's family know his fate.
Yeah, they tried to bury him, but they couldn't do it. Maybe they were scared or something. And they put on top of him these branch trees to cover him, to cover the dead body.
Today, police confirmed human remains found here on Monday are the 26-year-old's, his wallet discovered just nearby.
It is very sad for us and for the rest of the community, and we, I cannot. My heart is you know, I feel sad, but what can you do? You know, what happens has happened.
Mr Egal disappeared in May. His relatives say they reported him missing in June, but police didn't act. Then this week, they claim a man phoned from Africa confessing to the killing and revealed where he left the body. The next day, family led police to the site. The 26-year-old's remains were found behind the Herb Graham Recreation Centre. The family says the self-confessed murderer is Abdul Farah, who fled the country shortly after Mr Egal went missing.
Any person who has any sorts of information to come forward and please share it with us and bring the culprit to justice.
We appreciate the whole community. We thank them.
Police haven't apologised for not following up on Mr Egal's disappearance. Today they won't confirm if the suspect, still believed to be in Africa, will be extradited. Alice Pooley, 9 News.